than potential, or is it growing at potential at this point in time?
You see, economy, when you talk about potential growth, I mean, this question also comes up, that is, what is India's potential growth? I think with regard to growth, what is important is not to look at the number per se, but to look at the direction of growth. I have said elsewhere, and it is just, I have quoted the facts, it's not as if I am saying anything new. The last 3 years GDP growth is an average of about 8.3%. For current year 24-25, we have given a projection of 7.2%. And there are many drivers of our growth which are playing out their role. The momentum of economic activity, the momentum of growth in the Q4 of last financial year, that is January to March, was very strong. And the momentum of economic activity in the in the quarter ending June, that is the first quarter of this year, also continues to be strong. So given this, I think 7.2% which we have given at this point of time, it looks very much achievable. And again, if you look at the growth from demand side or supply side, now supply side would be basically how your industry is doing, how your agriculture is doing, how services are doing. In demand side, if you look at, let us say, how consumption is doing, the private consumption, public consumption, or rural and urban consumption, you look at investment, you look at your net.
That is running weak, no sir?
Sorry?
Consumption is running a little
Consumption,
weak.
let me tell you, okay, since you are asking me, let me put it this way. So far as the supply side is concerned, agriculture is expected to do well in the current year, good monsoon, and the season is looking good. Agriculture is expected to do well for the current year. So far as industries is concerned, the manufacturing sector is doing very well. The IIP numbers are very much in the expansion zone for a very, for considerable period of time, for past so many months. The latest IIP numbers are also, not IIP, I'm sorry, the PMI numbers.
PMI numbers.
I'm sorry, I mean the PMI numbers. The manufacturing PMI as well as the services PMI have, again,
Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go. Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC-TV18, now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV18 on all of our digital platforms.